Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 19th of May 2025, starting with Forex Factory. There's no heavy impact or medium impact news for the dollar, as you can see. It's for 19th of May. And going to the chart, monthly there's profit taking, as you can see, our rejection, depend what you call it. Right, and in weekly, as you can see that previous 2 weeks. This there was a rejection previous week and the week before was there is a rejection as well. And then market held this level and went to the upside and rejected same week. So we had a big rejection week here, and as expected, market went to the downside with the probability of the daily. We were expecting this level to be tested. And as you can see that the first market broke this structure and went all the way to the upside, tested this demand area in daily, made a double top, and then took the liquidity from here, tested this level. This is the previous break of structure. Now what next? Um, Daily, you can see strong bearish structure here, and market looks like it may range for a bit, this area. However, if we go onto 4-hour chart, because the daily is a huge rejection in daily, and now four-hour structure is still bearish, as you can see. So we are expecting this area to be broken to the upside, and then we can find a bullish setup to the upside. Currently, where 4-hour candle stands now, it has broken this level. This area has been broken to the upside. It tested this demand area, and I'm expecting the market go towards to this side. So in 4-hour, we will see some sort of maybe range here, and then break to the upside or to the downside. And looking more into detail, what we can see in 1 hour, this is a resistance area here. 1 hour it must break this if it has to go to this level onwards. So if this is not broken, we may even expect to the downside. So best trading opportunity is probably after the market. Let's go to the 4-hour again. Sorry, 4-hour, and probably best trading opportunities we'll find here. Sell in the case of rejection, in smaller time frame, and buy in case of breaking, and on the retest will be buy. And 15 minutes, what's happening 15 minutes? 1 hour has already been a break of structure, this break of structure. And in 1 hour, you can see that this break of structure and this level has been tested. Now it's possible market come here and go to the upside. And we can refine in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This could be a good area. This could be a good area as well in 15 minutes as well, and work it to the upside. Because this level seems it has been nearly tested. This so market may come down up to there and then come back here, take the liquidity, and then to the upside, these and these levels. Let's try different time frames. This is 6 hour. And in 6 hour, we see this story here. Double track candle and rejection in daily. That means most likely market go to the upside. 12-hour, huge rejection in 12-hour. So all the probabilities we are getting, it's highly likely the market can go to the upside. But always wait for the confirmations in smaller time frame. And if you use indicators, which I use sometimes, moving averages and RSI, you can get help from them as well. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this is helpful. And if you have any questions, any comments, or any specific video you want me to make, please do comment. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.